Hello, my name's Jo and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very exciting. I went online about a week ago now and ordered the best beauty box ever. That's what it's called. And I have it here in front of me. Now, what's up, Leo? Oh, hello, Leo. Oh, you look really warm, Bubba. What are you doing? I ordered 30s and over and under 30s. I'm not too sure which one it is yet. I won't know until I open it, so I'll do that. Scissors. They are now separated. Individually, the over 30s is $74.95 and the under 30s is $68.95. So that's the prices. Ooh, I'm very excited. I've never done anything like this before with the boxes, so this is very new. This is my first impression. Okay, what do we have here? When I open the box, this is how it looks. Ooh. Ta-da! And our cats will love these. So that's the box. Shall we open it? Ooh. I'm not sure if this is the over or the under 30s, so I'm just going to have to go online and have a look-see. So the one that I've just opened here is definitely the over 30s, and I should get 6 full-sized products, so not the full-size deluxe or anything, the actual legit full size. The retail value of everything in this box here is $143, and the products can be used by themselves or all together. Alrighty, okay. It's quite a cute little box. This one here is the push-up volume. If I put this on my breast with no bra, will it give me like a push-up volume thing? If only. Okay, so this is a mousse. Okay, so that there is what it looks like. It smells extremely clean, very fresh. All right, let's give it a go. Bedhead. I like how this says it's a 48-hour hold and it's a care formula. It is extra strong hold number 4. Smells fantastic. Alright, so I have popped that into my hair and we'll see how that feels soon once it sort of dries down a little bit. Next item. This is the Olay Total Effects Foaming Cleanser. Ooh, that's really good because, okay, I'm back. So, yay for the Olay cleanser because I got to review this one here, and this was the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Day Cream Normal. It's 50 grams and SPF 15. This is amazing. I've never had a moisturizer that has sunscreen in it that doesn't feel sticky, that just makes my skin amazing. Love this, swear by this, buy it. Let's have a look. Safety seal, much appreciated. Oh gosh, that is so thick. That is the product. That's what she said. Don't demonetize me. Smells fresh, smells very, very fresh. Ooh, It smells like it's medicated, if that makes sense. Like when you get skincare and it has like medicine for your skin in it. That is quite nice. Okay, next one. This is the Manicure Nail Buffer. So I am stoked to give this a go. With this Manicure one, I actually tried the Manicure limited edition nail polish pads. I tried them yesterday and they work amazing. Just letting you know and putting it out there. Next product. This is a soft matte lip cream from NYX. I like that. Very, very pretty. Look what's happening to my hair. It's getting a little bit crusty from the mousse. Next. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I was wanting this so bad and I am so stoked that I have this. Yes. So it is the Olay eyes. Let's open it. Very exciting. Ah! Like Christmas. Ooh, fancy. Very fancy. Look at that. Whoa. That's pretty flash. Ooh, that is pretty nice looking. Look at the lid. Oh, glass. Let's open it up. Does it have a seal? Oh, no. Whoa. Massage around the eyes thoroughly until absorbed. Use twice a day on cleansed skin. Oh, I like that. I'm excited to use it. It's very creamy. It kind of feels like, you know when you go to the shop and you can buy the sachets of mousse and then you just add milk and just let it sit in the fridge? That's kind of that consistency, but it also feels like the pore blurring primers that you can get. There's no scent to it. I like it. That's exciting. Ooh. So this one here is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Laser 3X. So this is a day moisturizer cream. All up close and personal. Let's open it up. Ooh, wow, that's so heavy. That is really heavy. Let's have a look. Creamy. Ooh, that is really nice. That is very nice. It has a lot of fragrance to it, but if you don't like scented products, this might not be the one for you, but you could always just give it a go. So the box that I got was the over 30s for the best beauty box ever, and I really do like the products that were in it. I'm excited to give them a go. The NYX Lippy is actually very, very nice. And I actually forgot that I had it on. The over 30s box with all the items that I showed you is $74.95. Now the good thing about the Best Beauty Box company is that you don't actually have to have a subscription. You can just go and buy it, which is fantastic because sometimes you might not have the money that month, etc. So in this box, the over 30s, we got the Push-Up Mousse Volume from Swatchcock. We got the Manicure Nails Buffer. We got the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. We got the Olay Eye Cream. We got the L'Oreal Paris Day Cream. And we also got the Olay Cleansing Cream. Well, that's the end of the over 30s beauty box, having a look inside it. I'm very excited to give them all a go. Probably in a later date I will keep you guys updated. Keep an eye out for the under 30s, the best beauty box ever. That'll be coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've tried any of the products that I've shown you, let me know in the comments below what you thought about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.